So let's try it on. We turn this, turn that, and see if it works. Yep, we're on. What's up guys, this is Andrew, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use WordPress using only your computer for free. And we're gonna show you here one of the softwares that is pretty popular to use your local computer for setting up a WordPress site inside of a web server. And this software is actually called XAMPP. It's a web server solution package, very useful to practice WordPress. It has an easy WordPress install wizard. It's freely available. It's open source, so you don't need to pay any license or any fee to use it. And as I said, it's very useful to work with it when you're learning, you're practicing, or actually you are putting a website on a test mode before putting it online and paying any domain or any hosting before knowing that the website works. Before getting into it, I would really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will keep putting content that can help you and some other folks to set up websites and set up some online presence for their businesses. And let's get right to it. Alright guys, so this is the software that I usually use to have like this development environment or practice environment in WordPress, in a WordPress site. So if you don't know how to find this website, we just go to Google and you just write XAMPP and go to the first search result. It will get you there, right? Here you can download the XAMPP software for any version of system that you may have. If you have a Mac, you can download the OS X version. I'm gonna download here the Windows one, and once it is downloaded, I'm gonna run the setup. Once it's downloaded, you should have it on your downloads folder on Windows, and here you just gonna run the setup to install XAMPP, and probably it's gonna take a while to load. So here we run the setup. You should include, if you're gonna use WordPress only, you can actually well, you can include everything here. It's important that we include the Apache web server, the MySQL, FileZilla if you wanna do FTP. Right, so here we just click allow access. This is probably the Windows Defender trying to show you a warning here. You just allow access, click allow access, and we're finishing up here the installation of XAMPP. Once it's done, we're gonna be able to set up the WordPress. So yeah, the installation is over. We can leave this hook on and we just launch XAMPP immediately. So here, this is the control panel of XAMPP, and the only thing you have to do here is to start the Apache web server and the MySQL database. We go to Explorer, or it can be Google Chrome, or it can be Microsoft Edge, whatever, and you just write localhost, and you will find immediately that you will enter in a XAMPP welcome page. If you scroll down to the end, you can see install applications on XAMPP using Bitnami, and we click the WordPress logo. We will jump right to a Bitnami website where we can scroll down and find the WordPress icon to download the module for XAMPP. In this case, we're going to install the Windows version. If you don't want to sign up on Bitnami, you can always hit no thanks. Just take me to the download here below. So we will start the Bitnami module for WordPress once it gets downloaded. Alright, once you download the Bitnami WordPress module, we just run the installer. Click OK here. Click next. One of the things that we have to make sure is that the WordPress module gets installed on the same folder directory of the XAMPP installation. So just make sure that you chose exactly the same directory as when you install the XAMPP software. So here we have to create an admin account for the WordPress database. I'm going to put here Andrew GP. So here in the blog name, this can be changed on the WordPress actually, but here we can put anything we want. We can put the name of the website, for example. Andrew GP website. Continue. Let's leave that for another moment and we click next. Okay, so once you finish the installation process of the Bitnami WordPress module, to access on it, just make sure that you have the Apache and the MySQL modules on the XAMPP running, and we can go to the browser and just write localhost/WordPress. This will get you to the WordPress website that is installed on your local host, on your local computer, on the XAMPP. And as you can see here, it's a very much default design since it's a new installation of WordPress. If you want to get into the admin area of this WordPress website, you have to go to localhost/WordPress/WP_admin. When you're there, it's gonna ask you for the login and the password that you actually put in the installation process of the WordPress. Once you put the username and the password, you just click login, and that's it. You will be on the main dashboard of your WordPress site installed on your local computer. And here, well, you will be able to edit the site, add posts, add pages, and change the theme of the WordPress site, and do all the settings that you need to do to practice for WordPress. And this is it practically. We set up a WordPress site on our local computer. Here, as I said, XAMPP is a great tool to help you learn more, practice with WordPress, installing plugins and everything. And it might be useful also for those people who want to get into web development and have like a learning environment or a test environment on a WordPress system. If you like this video, hit subscribe and click like. I would really appreciate it. More videos will be coming, and thank you very much. See you next time.